everyone, it's Amy Wilson, and today I want to show you some of our utility products. Before I start though, I just want to welcome you and tell you how excited I am to party with you tonight. If you haven't already, please go ahead and go to that RSVP poll and let us know if you're going to be joining us. And it's totally fine if you can't get here right at 8:30. Just go ahead and respond to that poll and you'll get an extra entry into the prize drawing. So our customer special this month is the small utility tote. So I wanted to show that to you and then show you our different utility totes so you can see the difference between them. So let's go ahead and get started with the small. I have one right here that I have a ton of binders in. This is pretty heavy. I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I can probably fit one more. So 12 1-inch binders can fit in here. You can see they're 1 inch there. And so this holds 30 pounds. You could probably even get away with a little bit more, to be honest. But let me take these out. Hopefully they don't go all crashing on the ground. Hang on. I just want to show you the bag. I should have taken it all out. So while I do that, I'll tell you all about it. I love to use this just for just small trips, like if I'm going to Target or something like that, or if I just have a small amount of things to take with me. For example, the other night I used it at a restaurant. I had, this is actually kind of funny, but I packed a dinner for my daughter, a sandwich for my daughter, because I knew we were going somewhere that she wouldn't eat. So I put a sandwich and some fruit in a thermal, put it in here. I had some, a pouch with some toys, and then I always bring a change of clothes with me for her, because I don't know if you guys have any kids that get car sick, but it is not fun to be stranded and not have extra clothes with you. So that's what I put in there the other night, and I had plenty of room to spare, but that's what this is for. It's for those times where you really just don't need the bigger utility tote. So here's what it looks like. It's got that pocket on the front. If you get it embroidered, that's where it would be. And then, sorry, it's black. It's hard to see inside of there. Oh, that's actually pretty good. So that's what it looks like inside. So this is the small. So for every $35 spent in February, you can get up to 2 of these for $10. And they're normally $30, so it's a really great deal. And of course, you've probably seen my bundles so far in the party. I feel like our products are really meant to go well together and to be used together. So I love bundling things. So here's our large utility tote. This is in the green cabana stripe, and this one is the charcoal crosshatch. Such great neutrals, both of them. The men in your life would love both of these prints. Perhaps not with the flower, but still great neutrals. So let me take a look in here. So this is the large, and then we do have a medium size right now until it sells out. This is an item that we've had in the fall catalog, and so there are not a ton of prints left, but this is our football print. And this is the medium. So here's the difference between the small and the medium. The medium also holds 30 pounds. The large holds 50. Here's the difference between the small and the large. And then the medium and the large. So the medium is basically just shorter by a couple of inches. You can see that, right? So that's those. And then of course we have a deluxe utility tote. So let me get that for you here. And the biggest difference with the deluxe is, I mean, it's huge. So it's got handles on either side for easy carrying. This is a little bit, I'm only 5 feet tall, and this can be a little bit hard for me to carry, to be honest, just because I'm a small person. So carrying it like this doesn't always work for me. So when I carry this, I tend to carry it like this. It's got a hard reinforced bottom. You hear that? Here it is like this. And I will stand it up next to the large. And then it also has 3 flat pockets in the front, or the back technically. So same height standing up, but different widths. And so for me, I wish it was like longer just because I'm little, but so I tend to use the large and the small more than the deluxe. But what I do use the deluxe for a lot of times is toting my products around. And then also the beach, this thing holds a ton of towels. So if you've got a large family or you just need a lot of towels at the pool or whatever, this is your best bet. And then 2 of these smalls fit inside of here. So this is a really awesome grocery solution for you. $50 for the deluxe. 2 smalls would be $10 each this month. So that is awesome. And then we've got 2 more products in this collection that I want to talk about. This is our essential storage tote. You can see that I've got one purposely folded really flat here. The best part about this tote is you can fold it up pretty small and get it inside of your purse, or you can fit 2 of these folded up inside one of our zipper pouches, and then you'll always have a grocery bag with you. Even I forget my bags in my car when I go into the grocery store. So I like to actually have something folded up small inside my purse. This is my favorite grocery bag just because it can be folded up, but it's very similar in shape to the small utility tote. So this one is also 30 and can also hold 30 pounds. So let's show you these together. So the essential storage tote is a little bit taller and does not have that pocket in the front. I find that pocket is super handy for keys and whatnot. And then the last one I want to show you is our zip top organizing utility tote. Can you tell I like black and white? So here it is. It has 7 outside pockets, 3 on this side, 1 on either edge, and then 2 there. And then it's just a wide open tote. This is perfect for teachers. Such a great teacher bag. I know we have a few of you in here. Put a fold-in file inside, and then you've got a steady open space for you to put all of your files and all of your school paperwork, your pens, whatever you want to bring with you back and forth to school. So that is our utility collection. Please let me know at any time if there is something that you just need organizing and you're not really sure how to do it, or if there is a need that you have and you would like to provide a solution. I'm more than happy to do that. It is actually one of my passions, why I love this job so much. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you tonight. Bye.